Most winter stylists are misleading. They recommend trendy pieces or expensive items you'll wear perhaps twice. These 10 pieces work for 20 plus years. Most double as modern office wear, and most importantly, they form a cohesive system where everything pairs beautifully, not random purchases. This isn't just a shopping list. It's a framework for thoughtful winter dressing. Sadly, there are some men out there who show zero effort in terms of winter styling. The difference between looking basic or low effort and looking exceptionally handsome in your clothes as a man often comes down to carefully chosen pieces. Let's start with the big 3 foundation pieces. What's a no-brainer that keeps you warm and stylish? The navy cashmere overcoat. And here's why it's my recommendation for a stylish winter. It works casually with jeans and a roll-neck sweater, but also very smartly with flannel trousers. Throw it over a suit and you're ready for an opera evening. It's the ultimate versatility winter piece. Keep the length at about below the knee level. Cashmere is prone to excessive wear, so you want to take care of it with occasional brushing. With this coat already, you will feel like you've achieved perfect winter style. But here's the next versatility king in outerwear that you don't want to miss. The flannel jacket. I've covered this before, but the flannel jacket deserves another mention. Flannel's brushed surface makes it perfect for casual layering. It works so well with your roll-neck sweaters. Of course, single-breasted jackets work too, but the double-breasted configuration is an instant upgrade and blends in beautifully with a casual wardrobe. I've come to love double-breasted jackets. Once you wear them, you can't live without them. Pair it with dark jeans for every day or dress it up with smart trousers. Flannel isn't just about warmth. The heavier the fabric, the better it creates that perfect drape that people will take notice of, even if they can't verbalize what they actually see. The single-breasted navy jacket must absolutely be a part of this list. A winter fabric in flannel, cashmere or tweed gives you warmth and texture. This is the key for making it work casually. Keep the buttons contrasting, such as metals or mother-of-pearl buttons for that classic navy blazer look. This isn't just another jacket, it's a problem solver that makes you look and feel so sharp. It works in casual situations but remains very smart. No wonder it's called the most versatile jacket. And it really works in every situation without having to overthink. If a navy blazer is too over the top for your office, you might reconsider your office. Now, before we continue, I want you to tell me what's your absolute must piece in a winter wardrobe. Tell me about how you like to style it and why it deserves a place in a stylish wardrobe. Let's educate each other in the comment section. Let's talk about another king of versatility for your level up winter wardrobe. Flannel trousers made from heavy fabric are the most comfortable trousers I've ever worn. The textured surface allows them to work casually while providing superior warmth and durability. Here's what makes them essential. They bridge the gap between casual chinos and formal suit trousers. Pair them with your navy jackets, button-downs and roll-neck sweaters for effortless, elevated casual styling. If you want to look really sharp in winter, flannel trousers are your supreme choice. If that's not enough, flannel trousers and button-downs are a dream team too. Which brings us to our next piece. The Oxford cloth button-down is the true shirt for colder days. Much thicker than poplin or pinpoint Oxford shirts. The button-down collar retains its shape without looking stiff. It's casual enough for weekend wear, but polished enough for most modern offices. This is elevated casual styling at its finest. And you will come to love it like I do. But there's another casual shirt that works even better with darker pieces. The chambray shirt. Indigo dyed fabric similar to denim. Its rich indigo color pairs beautifully with darker colors like charcoal flannel jackets. Among common dress shirts, chambray sits definitely on the thicker side, providing extra warmth while maintaining casual appeal. It's the perfect choice for looking absolutely sharp with a casual outfit. Think ties are too formal for casual wear? Think again. A tie in this list? Yes, you've heard it right. The textured grey wool tie adds seasonal flair, while silk ties can feel excessive in casual settings. They add sophistication without formality. Perfect for elevated smart casual looks. If you don't want to go overboard with a traditional two-piece suit outfit, go with this wool tie, your flannel jacket or navy blazer and smart trousers, such as tailored cotton trousers or flannel trousers. Stone cotton trousers with single pleats and cuffs represent the evolution of your basic chinos. They maintain casual appeal while adding tailored sophistication. Pleats are there just for aesthetic reasons, but cuffs add a bit more weight so that the drape is better. Especially with slim men, you want that extra fabric weight for better drape. Don't think dark jeans elevate casual styling? Dark jeans can absolutely upgrade your wardrobe if you choose wisely. High quality dark jeans with medium or high rise and clean lines are game changers. Proper dark jeans pair beautifully with flannel jackets, navy blazers and quality leather shoes. Finally, we don't want to miss shoes in this list. Chelsea boots. the epitome of elevated casual footwear. Sleek and dressy without trying to be formal. They work with every item in today's list. Dark brown offers maximum versatility, though black works if that better suits your existing wardrobe. These boots solve the shoe dilemma for elevated casual styling. Here's how these pieces work together. Navy jacket, OCBD, flannel trousers, and Chelsea boots. Elevated office casual. Flannel jacket, chambray shirt, dark jeans, and Chelsea boots. Weekend sharp. Navy coat over any combination. Instant sophistication. That's the power of a cohesive system. These 10 winter pieces are essential, but they work best as part of a complete wardrobe system. If you're wondering how pieces like these fit into a year-round foundation that handles every situation, business meetings, weddings, weekend dinners, and weekend casual, check out my complete capsule wardrobe guide next. It shows you the exact 14 pieces that create 27 plus outfit combinations. I'm linking it at the end. Now you have everything you need to upgrade your winter style game. What's your favorite winter essential in your rotation? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the list and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.